Hey, thanks so much for tuning in here. These are just some early home camcorder video recordings that I made, mostly from the 1980s and the early days of home video recording. And most of these are really silly, and I thought you might get a kick out of it, and especially my friends. And it's actually, most of these are back when I had some hair, and my friends too. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Here's a clip.